Highly spiritual.
Highly spiritual. Oh no, don't no. I'm not playing those games with you. That's right, man. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Goldcoastdebuty. Today is going to be another Twi lesson, and I got an email from a lady on Facebook, and she actually sent me the exact words that she wanted me to do, which was really helpful because all I had to do is just go to my mom, ask her what they meant in Twi, and then I wrote them down. So yeah, she just wanted me to interpret these words so that she would speak to her son in Twi, and her son is called Malachi, and I said I'd give him a shout out. So hi Malachi, hope you're fine. So yeah, I'm just gonna get into it. Another thing I wanted to say is the writing on the screen with the Twi, it's not the exact spellings, so don't use the writing on the screen as just a help to how to pronounce words rather than the actual spelling of it, because when I'm thinking of a word, I just try and write it the way I think it would be said more than the proper way. Because even in Twi, there's like a letter which looks like a backwards 3, no, an actual 3, it looks like a 3. There's another letter which is like a bracket, but they all mean something in the content of the word. But if I wrote it like that, I don't think you guys would understand, so I just put it in a format that you would sort of pronounce it. So all I'm saying is use the stuff on the screen as more of a reference rather than set in stone how to actually write specific Twi words. Okay, so let's go. So the first one is, are you hungry? Ekom deo or ekom deo. Let's just keep it ekom. Ekom deo. Ekom is hunger. Ekom deo. Wo is obviously you. Are you hungry? Ekom deo. Are you hungry? Ekom deo. Do you want to eat? Do you want to eat? Wo pese wo didi. Wo pese wo didi. You can put ana, but wo pese wo didi is fine. Wo pese, do you want to? Wo you pese want. Wo pese wo didi. Wo didi. Didi. Me pese me di bibi. I want to eat something. So didi is eat. Wo pese, do you want to eat? Wo pese wo didi. Wo pese wo didi. Are you thirsty? Esukom deo. Esukom deo. Ekom deo is ekom deo, are you hungry? Esukom, that's where insio is water. So it's basically liquid hunger. Do you understand what I'm saying? So ekom deme, I'm hungry. Esukom is insio kom. Kom is hunger, but now we're saying water hunger. So really you're saying I'm thirsty. Are you thirsty? Esukom deo. Esukom deo ana. Ana means you can put it at the end of sentences to make it a question. So it kind of means like, are you hungry or not, kind of thing. So esukom deo. Esukom deo. Are you thirsty? Do you want some water? Upe insuo. Upe insuo, or upe se onum insuo. Do you want to drink some water? Upe se onum insuo. Upe insuo. Upe se onum. Upe se onum. Do you want to drink water? Num is drink. Insuo is water. Upe se onum insuo, or upe insuo. Do you want water? Upe se onum. Do you want to drink water? Upe insuo. Do you want water? Pray before you sleep. Bompaye and sana wada. Bompaye and sana wada. Bompaye and sana wada. Bompaye is prayer. Pray, and sana is before. Like let's say you say and sana wako abontuno kofa bibi wo estro mami. Before you go outside, go and get something from upstairs for me. And sana before. So bompire and sana wada. Wada is you sleep. Wada. Mada. Mada oh, I'm asleep. Wada. Bompire and sana wada. Pray before you sleep. Go and pray. Ko bompire. Go and pray. Ko go. Ko go. Bra come. Ko go and pray. Ko bompire. Ko bompire. Ko bompire. Go and pray. Be quiet. This one is a bit tricky. Be quiet. Kawanutum. Kawanutum is a way of saying be quiet, but it can come off quite harsh because it basically means shut up. So I would say yedin. Yedin is the best one. Yedin, be quiet. So yedin is a better way of saying be quiet rather than, but if you want to go there and you want to say shut up, then you can say kawanutum. Kawanutum. That's a bit bold. Yeah, that I'm not saying that from experience, you know. No one has ever told me that. So yeah, be quiet. Yedin. Malachi, Yedin. Malachi, Yedin. Malachi, be quiet. Okay, sit down. Tnasi. 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 Stand up. Sorry. Sorry. Sit down. Tnasi. Malachi, Tnasi. Get up. Stand up. Get up and stand up. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, let's say the scene on the floor. Sorry, free form. Get off the floor. Sorry is just general. Stand up or get up. So sit down. Tnasi. Malachi tnasi. Sorry. Me pacho sorry. Sorry. Not sorry. 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 So tnasi. Sit down. Sorry. Get up. Tnasi. Sit down. Tnasi. Sit down. Me pacho tnasi. Let's see if you get a guest in your house. Oh, me pacho tnasi. Please have a seat. Sit down. Pacho tnasi. Or get up. Sorry. Sorry. Go and play. Kodi agro. Kodi agro. Agro is like play. You're playful. Like Mudi agro dudu. It's like I've heard that phrase a lot. Mudi agro dudu. Like you play too much. You giddy giddy dudu. It's like, you know, when you have a hyper child. Mupa, mu giddy giddy. Or go outside and play. Ko abontina di agro. Kodi agro abontin. Go and play outside. Kodi agro. Go and play outside is abonting. Abonting. Kodi agro abonting. Or kodi agro. Go and play. Kodi agro. Go and play. Kodi agro. Now this is the hard one. She wanted me to do times, numbers. I literally count up to like 7 and I'm just finished. So come home by, and then obviously the time. You'd say brafie ansana. Remember ansana means before. Brafie ansana abo. Come home before. Literally translated, come home before the time reaches. So come home by would be come home before the time reaches. Brefie, come home, and sana before abo, and then insert number. I have to do a separate video on numbers, and because mom told me how to say it, but it's different from just saying Bakumi Mensa because it says o'clock, so it'll be like 6 o'clock. So for now, just manage, you know, just say brefie and sana abo 6. You know, I'll try and figure out, learn the numbers and come back and do that. But for now, if I teach it, it's going to be so wrong. So yeah, come home by. So, brafie and sana abo 6. Or Malachi, brafie and sana abo 4. Malachi, brafie and sana abo 3. And another thing in tree is the way you say stuff. when you like it can change the way the word is. Like even like I was saying, shut up mean the shut up like kaunutum can sound really harsh, but it depends on your tone of voice. We'll say, oh mpacho kaunutum, right? It doesn't sound as harsh as if you were shouting kaunutum, which means shut up. So I feel like your tone of voice also affects how the word is translated.